Hey mate, Wally's coming to say hello. He's nodding his head. You can't see him though, can you? Oh, no, he has now. Yeah, he's pointing at Wally. It's nice and clear down there today, so he's definitely spotted him. Oh yeah, a bit of acknowledgement there. He's just nodding his head. Good old Wally. Oh, this swimmer's coming up to Wally at Bondi. You see him? Yeah, you can see Wally. Go and have a closer look. What is it? He's like, it's a shark. Mate, where you going? It's just Wally. It's all good, mate. Mate, behind you, Wally's sneaking up on you. This guy's got his camera out. Turn around, mate. You could get the best shot right now. Right now, turn around. Wally, he's behind you. He's looking up at me, but no, Wally. Yes, go, get underwater now. No, don't keep walking. What are you doing? It's Wally. Oh my gosh. That's the best miss of all time. Oh, Wally just goes on his merry way. He's out of there. That guy didn't even know. Oh, no way. All happening at Bondi. Don't run over Wally. Woo. Oh. You okay, Wally? That was a near miss. Let's have a closer look at him. Get a close look at him now. He's in the clearer water. You can see the beautiful pattern on him. Hey, Wall, he's a bit of a machine. Our old Wally. Just cruising around. Wants to say hello to everyone, but everyone keeps bailing on him. They're trying to run him over. Paddling straight over Wally. It's probably a bit murky down there. You can't see. But that is our old mate Wally down there. Surfers everywhere. Oh, it's a party wave. No. Don't run him over. Oh, that guy in the blue board nearly jumped on top of him. You're right down there, Wall? Where are you? Oh, there he is. You can just see the little shadow there. He's all good. Just wants to check out their boards from underneath. Hey, Wall.